May maraming balas.
Pero si Raymond, may dalawang.
Pinasok mo ba sa loob yung
Kim, there are more stuff inside.
stuff inside?
Pasok ka, pasok.
Ay po, salamat kayo.
Dumi-duming.
Kakulay ng damit mo kagabi.
Ay, ang dami. Oh, ito pa.
Ayan, wow.
Are you videotaping?
Thank you.
Sana gamitin mo kasi pang Louis Vuitton ka eh.
Meron pa.
Kim, tingin mo kasha, Kim? Yan, Roots.
Ayan.
Can you put it up?
Ang ganda, oh.
Oh, di ba? Okay, picture. Nice. Thank you very much.
Saan kasha? Oh,
Yes,
tingin nyo.
Anong
Anong size mo ba talaga, Sian?
Yes.
Large?
Ako bumili niya eh, kaya
Minsan large,
tama.
minsan...
depende yata sa brand.
Minsan pag nakabuffet.
Extra large. Pag nagpati.
Hopefully kasha.
Thank you.
Ganda naman ito.
Oh, you think?
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Uy, guys, sa atin lahat yan ah.
Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Ay, oo nga.
So you can put ito yung mga bags ng mga gifts niyo.
Ay,
Kasi ang daming nagmamahal sa inyo.
Yeah. Remember that. Oh, hindi lang kami sa gadget. Ngayon, dito yung ano sa...
Nalilagyan. Yan.
Gamitin mo na sa yoga, Kim.
Praise.
Kim, okay lang.
Yung tops and
Crop pants.
pants, no? Pag dilaban daw, sabi ni, do not use fabric softener. Oh. Sabi ka kami. Are you gonna use that?
that's so nice.
Canadian. Canadian
Oh, sa kanya din, both Canadian made yan. Lululemon din.
Lululemon are all Canadian. Yeah. Oh, here's your banda. Lagi ko na lang.
Andyan yung aming mga Twitter at saka
Ayan.
dito.
Thank you for touching our lives in so many ways. Continue to be an inspiration to all. May your life be filled with countless blessings. Wish you health, success, and above all, happiness. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Salamat po. Thank you so much.
Welcome, welcome.
Alright.
Okay, let me put it.
Salamat guys.
Sa akin naman, thank you for bringing us so much joy. You brighten our day simply by being you. Oh, thank you so much. May your life be filled with love, happiness, and countless blessings. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ready, kiss?
Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Oh, I got
Okay.
Sweet hug, sweet hug.
Picture na lang.
Okay.
One.
Hanggang tulang.
Sorry,